Okay, other Cabby mail I got. So I'm trying to make the ultimate crimp and curl collection. So this little girl is really cute. And I also mostly bought her because I don't have this outfit. And see this is a special little emblem that they had on crimp and curl outfits. It's a little Cabbage Patch with a curling iron. So she doesn't have her full outfit. She is really cute though. Let me take her out of the bag. You deserve better, Cabby. So she's gonna be getting a bath and getting her hair done. She's got a cute little face with those green eyes. Green eyes with blonde hair, that's pretty common, but she's a cutie. I like how she has her mouth open. I'm trying to have one with each facial expression. She needs her leg fixed also. So I got a pretty good deal on her. She came used, obviously, from eBay. I got her, and she came with her accessories, which the accessories are just as valuable as her. And then she also came with this little baby carrier, which I probably wasn't looking for. I know I wasn't looking for it, but this baby carrier, I haven't seen any other ones like this. I've seen 2 different baby carriers, and this is cute. This is cute. I also got today this bag of used Cabbage Patch clothes. So I want all my babies to be in authentic Cabbage Patch clothes. And there was one pretty crimp and curl outfit supposed to be in this lot. So that was my reason for buying that. Well, I hope you enjoyed my Cabby mail. Have a great Saturday.